Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Go MasterCard account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Go MasterCard account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And guys, before we proceed, do make sure to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos because it gives me a lot of support to continue to make these videos. And with that being said guys, click on the search bar and type in the address to mastercard.com.au like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of the Go MasterCard. And now guys, from over here, in order to log into your account, you'll be required to click on the login button at the top right corner of this page, where if you have not yet signed up for a Go MasterCard account, you can simply click on the apply now button to go through a procedure to sign up for a Go MasterCard account. And with that being said guys, just click on login. And over here guys, this is the login page of the Go MasterCard, where you'll be required to enter your username, and after that enter your password like this, which you had registered on Go MasterCard at the time of creating your account. But if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can simply click on these buttons which says the forgot username or you forgot your password to go through a procedure to retrieve your username or password depending upon which one you lost. And with that being said guys, after entering your username and your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your Go MasterCard account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how you log into your Go MasterCard account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.